Excuse me. I'm sure one of my senpais will fix it. Huh. It still works. It's fine. Excuse me.